Hello friends, welcome to my channel SS Talks. Today we will discuss about one company which is in the business of pharmaceutical as well as chemical. As usual, the reason for discussing is I am seeing excellent fundamentals of this company as well as per my view this company is available at very lower valuations. But before moving ahead, if you are new to my channel, request you to please subscribe and share with the friends to watch this kind of educational videos. This will help you to analyze companies for their financials, for their business, as well as you will be able to read the charts to decide entry and exit points. Some important points for trading or investing is we should always know the reason why we are investing or trading in a particular company. Second, our trading or investing should based on some strategy. There must be clearly entry as well as exit point based on strategy and technicals. And we should believe in our strategy and have patience till target is achieved. So friends, we will move to our video. This is website of IOL Chemical. They are basically in two businesses. One is API, that is active pharma ingredients, which is used for making a final product. And second is chemical sector. So in active pharma, they have their in portfolio ibuprofen, which is already approved in US, Europe, WHO. The second category is clopidogrel bisulfate, which is used in antiplatelet therapy, that is prevention of platelet adhesion to prevent clots. Then pantoprazole sodium, it is used in proton pump inhibitor, it is used in acidity type of diseases. The next category is gabapentin, lamotrigine, which is anticonvulsant drugs that is related to neuro, and there are some anti-hypertensive and anti-epileptic drugs. There are many APIs which are under development. The next sector is chemical sector. In this sector, they mainly produce ethyl acetate, isobutyl benzene, and ethyl acetate is considered to be one of the chemical that has least negative environmental impact, and it is considered as it is also popularly denoted as a green solvent. Application of ethyl acetate are printing and packaging industry, ink industry, adhesive industry, pharmaceutical industry, paint industry, agrochemical and pesticides, and cosmetic industry. So from business point of view, IOL Chemical and Pharmaceutical is in the business of API, bulk drugs and specialty chemicals. Key points are they are largest manufacturer of ibuprofen with 35% of the global share, largest producer of ethyl acetate at a single location in India, and second largest producer of isobutyl benzene having 30% global share. So from business point of view, I think as they are working in pharma as well as in chemical and in pharmaceutical, they have product related to the acidity, platelet adhesion, ibuprofen, painkiller and cardiac related pharma ingredient. So from business point of view, I think IOL Chemical has a lot of potential in future. Now we will try to understand financials of the IOL Chemical. Market cap of the company is 3,567. So this is small cap company. Current price of the share is 608. Stock P is 9.05 and industry P is 32.1. This shows that this stock is at a very lower valuation compared to other companies in the industry. EV to EBITDA ratio is 5.58. Return on capital employed is 54.3 and return on equity is 43.1, which shows operational efficiency of this company is extraordinary. Debt to equity 0, so there is no issue of debt. Sales growth in 3 years 26%, which is excellent. Profit variance in 3 years is 151%, which is very good. Good points about the company: this company has no debt. Company is almost debt free. It has delivered good profit growth of 67.35 CAGR in last 5 years, and company has good return on equity. Also, if we compare PE of this company with peers, IOL has the lowest PE amongst the peer. We will compare quarterly results year on year. June 20 sales was 460, which is increased to 519 in June 21. March 20 it was 441, increased to 460 in March 21. December 19 it was 511, which is increased to 513 in December 20. September 19 it was 449, which is increased to 533 in September 20. June 19 it was 493, which is increased to 460 in 20. So if we see year on year quarterly results, there is significant growth in each quarter. Operating profit margin is also 18% in June 18. It is consistently between 20 to 30 in recent years. Net profit was 38 crore in September 18, which is increased to 67 crore in June 21. So in sales as well as in net profit, we can see a clear growth for this company. Yearly results, sales revenue in 2010 was 347, which is increased to 1967 in March 21. Net profit was 10 crores in March 10, which is increased to 445 crore in March 21. So sales increased 5 to 6 times in 10 years, whereas net profit increased almost 40 times in 10 years. Balance sheet, promoter share capital was 28 crore in 2010, which is increased to 57 crore in 2020. This is good point. Promoter has increased the stake in the company. This shows confidence of promoter in his company. Reserves 116 in March 10, and there is continuous growth in reserves, and it reached to 747 in March 20. CWIP is 48 crore, which will reflect in sales in coming quarters. Shareholding pattern, promoter holding is 43.69, FIS having good amount of holding, that is 5.05, DIS having 0.04%, and with public it is 51.21%. But out of 51.21%, almost 20% is in strong hands, so only 30% with the public. So from financials, we can see a steady and continuous growth in sales as well as net profit for this company. So this is daily chart of IOLCP. It has made a high of 896 in August 20, and thereafter this stock has in continuous correction, and it has taken support at this level, that is 547 level, and it seems that it is now started moving in upward direction. Moving averages, this black line is for 200 days moving average, this yellow line is for 50 days moving average, and green line for 20 days moving average. So from moving averages point of view, we can see that the price was below all these averages, and now it has started moving upward direction. It is near to 200 days moving average. So from financial point of view as well as a technical point of view, there is a possibility of this stock to move in upward direction in coming future. Levels based on Fibonacci. So my first target will be this level, that is 719, which comes out to be 18% from here. And second target can be this level, which is 790, which comes out to be 30% from here. And I think these two targets can be achieved in short to medium term. And then this stock will try to achieve recent high that comes out to be 47% from here. And if somebody holds this stock for longer term, I think it can even have a potential to go to the 1000 level in coming 1 year, which comes out to be 62% from here. I think this is an excellent opportunity for short-term trading, medium-term trading, even for investing. This is Tinkertap site. Here 2 analysts has covered this stock, and all of them, that is 100% of the analysts, has suggested to buy this stock. Forecast for 1 year from now, as per Tinkertap, it is 28%, but as per my view, this stock has a lot of growth potential in coming future. Friends, hope you like the content of the video. One disclaimer from my side, I am not recommending you to buy or sell of the stock. My purpose here is to explain how we can find out excellent opportunities in a market, and we can trade based on strategy. Request you to please subscribe, share with the friends. We will again meet with some different learning opportunity. Till then, bye bye and take good care. Thank you.